In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a live account on HankoTrade. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to HankoTrade.com, which is their official website, and then you want to click on Open Free Account at the top right. Whenever you do this, you'll be directed to the register page over here, where you basically have to sign up using your first name, last name, email, phone number, country of residence, and then your password you want to use as well. Now, for me, as you can see, it's auto-filled. For you, it's not going to be for the first time, and that's because I have an account already and it just does remember. And then you want to click on the sign up button, and then you will get access to your dashboard, which looks like this. So to actually open a live account here, you want to go to the home tab, you want to switch over to live here, and then you want to click on create live account. Whenever you do this here, the first thing you have to do is select your platform, which can be Hanko X or MT4, of course, whatever you want to do. And then here you want to select your account type. So I'm just going to go standard over here. And then on the next step, of course, you want to click on this arrow next to it. You'll have to select your currency and then your account leverage. And then here you'll be able to just click on create account. And whenever you do this, your live account is going to be created. There we go. As you can see, you'll receive your trading ID, your password, etc. And then you can just go ahead and start trading. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.